New here at 10 o'clock, a mother followed all the county codes to open a smoothie shop.
But now the county and state say the codes have changed and she has to meet those, which she can't afford. Will she have to shut down her business? It's why she called Help Me Howard with Patrick Frazier.
Smooth-alicious. Walk inside and see how Lillian came up with a name like that.
And that's when, back in the days, the song of Beyonce came out for Bootylicious. So I was like, that's it. And it worked out perfect.
Lillian's Bird Road shop is her passion. A single mom with no employees, by herself working 6 days a week.
So I do smoothies, protein shakes, salads, wraps.
And with a name like Smooth-alicious, the shakes have to have special names also.
One of my favorites is a Slap Your Mama. It's a mango, strawberry, and banana.
When Lillian opened in 2017, she did everything required, permits and licenses galore. And then in 2024, Miami-Dade County cited her and fined her $500.
The lady comes and she tells me, no, you don't have a permit for your grease trap. I'm like, what are you talking about? I have all my papers right here.
The grease trap under this metal panel was installed to code in 2017. And then in 2018, Miami-Dade County changed the code.
I should be grandfathered in. I came to compliance in 2016, 2017.
The changes by DERM required Lillian to have what's technically called a grease trap interceptor. The cost?
It's gonna cost me almost $30,000 to do the job.
Can you afford that?
Absolutely not.
The irony, Lillian doesn't even use her grease trap because she just makes smoothies and salads. But if she doesn't install a new one, she'll lose her business, her income, and her passion.
You come and you change the laws after, and now you want me to bring them to compliance? That's gonna break me?
Requiring a new grease trap will shut down a single mom's business. Howard, legally, can the government do that?
In some cases they can, but in this case there's hope. The law will not allow Lillian to be grandfathered in, but will allow a variance under the same law. The reason? Her shop is not a threat to the environment and does not create grease, which is why she should get that variance and not have to go out of business.
We started trying to help Lillian in August. It's complicated. At that time, DERM told me because the shop is inside a well-filled protection area, any business serving food is required to operate with a permitted grease interceptor. Lillian then had to file an application with the state health department. If they approve it, Miami-Dade's DERM can issue a permit and she won't need a new grease trap. But if the health department denies her request, her last hope is to get a variance from the state to keep her current grease trap. We waited for months, no answer from the health department. To help her, DERM gave Lillian an extension to keep Smooth-alicious open while she waits for an answer from the state health department.
It's a nightmare.
The good news is the extension from DERM will give Lillian over a year to operate Smooth-alicious while her battle goes on.
I went through a lot of stages, stressful, and not sleeping. But yeah, to this point, whatever happens, gonna happen.
Lillian's right. It is a nightmare because it's a battle over a grease trap she's required to have that she doesn't even use at Smooth-alicious. We'll keep an eye on her and hope common sense wins one. A problem left you trapped, facing a slippery slope trying to solve it? Let us slide in to grease the skids for a smooth outcome. With this, Help Me Howard and Patrick Frazier, 7 News.